Welcome, future creators of financial freedom. Today, we're embarking on a journey that could redefine the way you think about income. Get ready to master the art of passive income through private franchises, and believe me, you won't want to miss a single second of this. Imagine waking up to a world where your money is working for you, where the daily grind becomes a thing of the past. Envision yourself living life on your terms, enjoying luxurious experiences, and building a legacy for generations to come. That's the magic of passive income. Now, I know you might be skeptical. Private franchises? Isn't that reserved for the elite? That's a common misconception, and today, we're debunking that myth. Brace yourself for a journey that will empower you with the knowledge and tools to tap into this incredible world. Before we dive in, let's address the elephant in the room. Private franchises are not just for those with deep pockets or extensive business backgrounds. In the next few minutes, I'm going to break down the barriers and reveal how anyone, including you, can become a part of this movement. Get ready to be inspired by real people who turn their dreams into reality. From a stay-at-home parent to a young entrepreneur, these success stories will show you that your journey to financial independence starts with the right mindset and the right knowledge. Deep dive into strategies and tactics. Ready to roll up your sleeves? We're delving into the strategies and tactics that will set you up for success. Learn how to identify high-potential franchises, leverage market trends, and implement systems that practically run on autopilot. It's time to visualize the potential. Imagine watching your bank account grow steadily as you enjoy your life, knowing that your financial future is secure. Discover the power of compounding returns, equity building, and the true art of making your money work for you. Here's the catch: this knowledge is a game changer, but only if you act. Don't be the person who watches from the sidelines while opportunities pass by. Click that subscribe button now to join our vibrant community of forward thinkers ready to master the art of passive income through private franchises. As we conclude, remember this: your journey to financial freedom begins with a choice. By subscribing, you're choosing to step onto a path that leads to transformation. I'm thrilled to be your guide on this exhilarating journey, and I can't wait to witness your growth and success.